Programming skills alone will not land you in a job. Companies here require candidates who have communication skills, have aptitude and reasoning skills, have good technical skills, and the last one, which is very important, candidates should be fast learner and implementer. They need people who can provide values to the business from day one. Of course, right, companies does provide training, but that doesn't mean you should not be prepared, right? They will not teach you something from scratch. Example, if you are getting hired as a developer, they will expect you to start to be somewhere, right? So example, as a corporate trainer, when I go for training in different companies, when I train on different Java frameworks, I expect them to know Java, right? I cannot teach them core Java and then I can teach them a framework. So core Java is something which is expected. In the same way, in different field, we have some benchmark. You should be knowing that stuff so that company will train you on recent technologies. Previously, we focused only on technical skills, right? So we were focusing on languages, databases. In fact, when we talk about technical skills, I always say this, right? Which is you should be jack of all and master of one, which means you should learn everything around you, but you should be master of one. Example, if you want to be a Java developer, you need to learn other stuff as well, like networking, testing, databases, concepts. And if you want to get into database, you need to know other stuff like testing and programming. Not everything, but base. So you should be jack of all, but you need to be master of one, which defines you. The aim of this channel is to help you become a deserving candidate for a job. In fact, for this, I'm trying so hard, So from last 4 years, that's my main motto, How can I enhance your skills by giving you different videos, different motivation sessions? In fact, if you're following from a long time, I made a series on Java from start to end, Java frameworks, and then motivating you people. I ask help from different industry experts to talk about different technologies so it will help you. And all these videos were free, right? So I made sure that you can learn everything for free. As promised, all the videos on this channel are free and will be free for future as well. So whatever concepts I want to talk about, let's say in future I'm planning for blockchain, I'm planning for microservices, those videos will be free on this channel for sure. Right? And you can see that, right? I'm changing the way I teach, I'm changing the environment around me. Example, now in Python, I'm trying different experiments, right? So yes, everything will be free. So to help you become a deserving candidate, I'm still facing 2 issues. The first one is the support. When I started this channel, there was not a lot of subscribers. So when they were asking questions, I was happy to help, So I was trying to comment on different questions. In fact, in my videos, I do motivate you to ask your question in the comment section. Still, I do that, okay? The only problem is the channel is growing so fast now. We are getting so many subscribers per day and we are getting so many views per day. And at the same time, we are getting so many questions per day. It is getting impossible for me to answer everyone. Okay, I'm trying my best to answer. I still recommend you to ask questions because if I'm not available there, we have some people or maybe we have some viewers who will answer you. But still, I want to help you with some questions, right? Because maybe if you're watching my video, of course, I want to help you there. So that was first issue. I want to provide you a support. The second issue which I'm facing is to be a deserving candidate, technical skills is not that enough, right? You need other skill set as well. You need to be good with communication. You need to be good with logical reasoning and some other technologies as well, not just Python or Java. We have some other technologies, right? You need to be jack of all. And that's where, to solve this problem, I was finding a solution for these 2 problems. So finally, we have a solution, and that is the IT Academy. So together, Telusko and the IT Academy came up with 2 solutions, which will help you to get a job in the industry. First one, we have created a 750 rupees model. Oh, hold on. Now you are thinking, okay, I'm charging for the courses. Not exactly. My videos, as promised, will be free on this channel. Okay, I'm not charging for my videos. But then on this platform, you will be having videos for soft skills, you will be having videos for aptitude skills, you will be having videos on the other technologies, right? And you are paying for them. Plus, you will be having a live interactive sessions. In fact, if you have some, let's say if you're watching a video and if you have some doubts, where you will clear it. And that's where you will be part of this subscription, okay, which will be 750 rupees per month. And you can learn everything in 1 month, okay? It's not that you're paying for each course. Example, if you want to, we have, let's say, 10 soft skills courses, we have 5 aptitude courses, and we have, let's say, 1 programming course. You can learn all this thing in 1 month. If you can do that, you just have to pay 750 and you can cancel them anytime. So you can start today and you can stop the subscription anytime you want, just like Netflix. The second one is much more interesting. If you are really looking for a job we have a solution. So we are launching Industry Readiness Program, or we normally call them as IRP, where we will prepare you for the job, not just training, but also the most important part is internship, right? Because to get a job nowadays, you need experience, and that internship will of course help you. In future, we'll be having a lot of different pathways, but as of now, we have developed a Python pathway, which will give you a guaranteed job in the industry. So you will be getting technical knowledge, you will be getting soft skill knowledge, plus the internship, which is very important, right? Because in the industry now, if you want to get a job, you need experience. And this internship will, of course, help you. So this will be 6-week internship, and after that, you will be getting a job. So I'm very excited for this thing. We have two different models. You can check it out. So do check the link in the description area. And let me clear once again. This channel is free and will be free for future as well. So there are a lot of courses for free available for you on this channel. Don't worry.